be here with us for this video. So what you just watched me do was you watched me dump the grit for 4670 out of the 15-pounder. We went ahead, we've gone through everything, we've washed everything up, picked out a couple of choice stones that we're going to showcase that are moving ahead to 6090, and we've picked out a couple of choice stones that we're going to showcase that are going to hold back and go back through another stage of 4670 when we do that. The video. You just watched me go through these as a close-up. We'll go ahead and get everything loaded up. We'll get the barrel loaded with the 6090 grit, get everything rolling. I think we're probably going to run this 2 weeks, but I'm not sure yet. I'll put a little bit of thought into it and make that determination here in just a second as I'm loading it up and as I'm looking over my tumbling journal, see where I'm at with everything, what's coming out over the next 3 to 4 weeks, because I've got a bunch of stuff coming out over the next 3 to 4 weeks. If you like the video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, of course leave them in the questions and comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you do. It helps out the channel, it helps out my family. Until we see each other again, everybody out there, stay blessed.